Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Kwikset Powerbolt 250, keypad not working, beeping, not locking and reset guide. Fix 1. Replace the batteries. The most common cause of lock failure is drained batteries. So slide the interior cover up and remove it to access the battery pack. Now, replace the old batteries with 4 new high-quality AA alkaline batteries and ensure all batteries are facing the correct positive and negative directions. Fix 2. Recalibrate the lock handling. If your deadbolt is binding or the latch bolt is not moving properly, the lock may have lost track of the door frame's orientation. Simply remove the interior cover and press and hold the programming button located inside for about 15 seconds until you hear a long beep, and press the programming button once more. Now the latch bolt will extend and retract on its own to learn the orientation of the door. Fix 3. Verify installation and cable alignment. If the motor is struggling or the interior thumb turn is stiff, it may be a physical installation error. So remove the interior assembly to check the internal wire and make sure the electronic cable is securely plugged in and tucked neatly to the side away from the turning mechanism. Now verify orientation. When the door is unlocked, the interior flat metal blade and the turn piece inside should sit perfectly horizontal. And if the door is locked, it should be vertical. Fix 4. Perform a complete factory reset. With the door open and unlocked, remove the interior cover to expose the battery pack. Then press and hold the programming button for 15 seconds until you hear a long beep. And then press the program button once again, and this time the light will flash green, indicating the reset is complete. Then reprogram your user codes using the Kwikset programming guide. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.